first because I don't like fallout and I always seem to get fallout, and that way it's a little bit easier for me. However, I am going for a little bit more of like a feverish-esque look, so it's fine if I get a little bit of red fallout. I can just kind of dust it in with a blush. I'm super red, so I want this to be a little bit more controlled when it comes to redness, so I am going to use a little bit of a green corrector. Peach for my Greek dark circles. Going in with a bit of foundation. I'm going to cover a lot of this contour with powder because I just want it to be like a soft contour coming through. But I'm going a little bit stronger than I actually want it right now, just so that it'll still show up through the powder. Always make sure you get right back into that tray, because otherwise contour can get real scary if you have just like a line down your face that like starts like here. Pretend my double chin doesn't exist. And just a little soft contouring down the side of the nose. Sprite if the powder ends up covering a little bit of it, because we can always intensify just a little bit more with the powder after if we need. My nose ring is getting foundation a little bit. Press powder. I'm not purposefully taking powder and like placing it on. I'm putting it on the side first and just lightly blending a little bit over top of the contour so the contour is not like fully blocked out. Especially if I'm going a little bit crazy with powder, which I am known to do. I want to make sure that I don't accidentally just fully just get rid of all that contour. Back to priming. I'm gonna smack some primer on my eyelids. I literally cannot live without primer. If I don't have my eyelids primed, I don't know how people don't do it. Eyeshadow does not go on as well. It doesn't seem as bright. It's my baby. Now I'm going to take a nice bright red, strawberry color of course. Just start on the eyelid. I always like to start with smaller amounts because you can always turn it into more if you need more. But it's really hard to take away once you have some on. We're going to go a little bit above the crease. Push back any hood. I have a little bit of a hood eye, it's super depressing. Everything's going to deepen a little bit more, but I just want the crease to have a little bit more strength. I'm also taking a bit of that dark red and I'm putting it just under my lash line, like so, just again to kind of like intensify that definition. And grab a whole bunch of white and I'm just going I go in right into the lashes. That way we get a little bit of oomph when the lashes go on. Don't stress out too much if you get a little bit above like I did right there, because when the lashes go on, you're not going to see it anyways. The only reason I want this down is so that you're not seeing any skin. Now we're going to fake the strawberry seeds. So I just got like a really thin brush. And I'm going to use an acrylic, but you can really use anything cream or liquid that dries down and has like a lot of impact. Liquid liner, whatever. So if you saw my original picture of this, I actually used real strawberry seeds. But I figured I should probably use makeup for this. Next, I'm going to take a bit of a crimson sort of color blush, and I am going to apply it kind of like feverishly. I don't know. I'm going to apply it like I have a fever. Closer to the eye, more along the temple sort of area. I want this to like look more like rashy than anything else. As gross as that sounds. I'm actually going to take this down the neck as well. Come through allergic reaction. Now I'm actually going to take a bit of a mixture of like an orangey and a yellow. And I'm going to use these to add a little bit more of a different color just along some of the edges. On the neck, I am going a little bit more across it just to break that up. I'm now going to add just like a little bit of a highlight. Because I want it to be like kind of more underneath the skin, if that makes sense. Even though it is like a little bit more of a pinky highlight, I'm just going to take a little bit of powder and then just add a little bit of a highlight powder over top. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of like a dewy setting spray and just soak my face with that. Now to brows. I decided I'm going to go like a little bit more green with these brows just to match my hair, and like strawberry has a green top and I like being cliche, is that the word? I'm using acrylic, but I've also used liquid lipsticks and pinch. Basically anything like creamy that has a lot of pigment will work for this. So I'm going in with like a little mini fan brush. You want to make sure that you don't saturate too far past the tip of it, because I really only want the tip coloring for now. Kind of matches the hair, right? I mean, they're a little bit not as neon, but still cute. Lips are next. We're gonna pick a red. You see the theme yet? Nice bright one. Not caring too much about the shape or anything right now. I just want to get the base on. Got like a general shape now. I'm actually gonna take a little kind of smudgy brush, buff it out. I want it to have like a little bit of a mess, not like a huge mess, but just enough that it's like, well, let's see. Once we finish that part, we're gonna go and we're gonna grab that yellow acrylic that I was using before and apply more dots. Dots. Now the fun part. So I like to have more of a glossy finish with this because strawberries have more of a glossy sort of finish, so it just makes sense to have a glossy finish. So what I'm going to do now is you want to be really careful during this part, because you don't want to accidentally mix the yellow with the red. So if you like tap the gloss on too much or too fast or anything like that, or too roughly, you'll notice that it just mixes together and you've lost everything. And you don't want that to happen. So taking a brush that's a little bit more kind of dense, you can use a concealer brush. I'm just using an eyeshadow brush and just packing it on. Don't be afraid to use a lot. I love when there's so much gloss that you can almost see yourself in it. I'm also going to take a little bit of this, and I'm actually going to add it along the highlight area. That shine, that shine. As well, I'm going to do the eyes in a moment here. You just want to make sure that you're using something that is approved for eye use. So I like to just go in, and again, we're going in with this light little tap. So this is my entry for NYX Face Awards 2018. I had the idea kind of like of a strawberry imp slash nymph Sprite thing. It's actually kind of building on one of my favorite makeups that I've ever done on myself, which was my strawberry eye, which moved into a strawberry lip, and I was like, it'd be kind of cool if I put them together and created like a whole different look that I've never done before. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it.